graphing inequalities. So, go ahead and write this in your notes. So does anybody know what an equality is? Just an inequality, yeah.
Like 1 equals 1.
Right. Something that is equal. Anybody know what this symbol means? Equal sign with the bar through it? Yep, Josh?
Like equals.
Right, it is not equal to that. So we have equals, we have not equals, and then we have inequalities. Alright? Inequalities are these lovely symbols right here. We've got less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than and greater than. You guys remember this from like your 3rd grade days? The alligators and stuff like that? Alright. So you have to be able to read these. And here's how I do this. Are you guys ready for this? This symbol right here makes an L for less than, right? Does this guy make an L? No, that's backwards, all right? This guy makes an L, that means less than, that means less than. These are less than because they make an L. Got it? All right, those are greater than because they don't make an L. Now, if you have the bar underneath, it's like an equal sign, right? The bar has half that equal sign, so it's or equal to. All right, make sure you have every single one of these like all written down. Okay, you guys, so when we're doing an inequality, what you need to know is a solid circle or an open circle when we're doing a number line. So just write this in your notes. It'll make sense here in a minute. But when you have the or equal to sign, so the less than or equal to or the greater than or equal to, those are going to be solid circles, all right? Yeah. And then the less than and the greater than are going to be open circles, all right? Every time. Because you've got the or equal to sign, you're including that number or point. And this will make more sense when we look at an actual example. Okay? All right. Sketch a number line, then graph the inequality. So write this down and draw a number line. And who can read to me what that actually says? Jayla.
That's the negative 2 greater than x.
You just read from right to left. You read from right to left? That's weird. Monica? There you go. We read from left to right, right? I mean, I do. I don't know about you guys. But x is greater than negative 2. This right here, does this make an L? No. My L's go this way. Okay. So less than. L for less than. So x is less than negative 2. So what we're going to do is put an open circle on negative 2 on my number line. We usually put the circle right on the tick mark on the line, all right? So, sure, yeah, I won't be that picky, but. All right, so you guys, open circle. Now, open circle because there's no line underneath. The solution does not include negative 2. Now, this says x is greater than negative 2. So these numbers here, to the right of the line, are these numbers greater than negative 2, or are these numbers greater than negative 2? Which numbers are greater than negative 2? Morgan? Yeah, to the right. Positive 2 is definitely bigger than negative 2, right? So we're going to shade to the right. Well, it really doesn't matter how far you go, but you do need an arrow because it goes forever. All right, 1 million is an answer. It's a possible solution. Some people do this where they kind of put their arrow above. That's fine too. Whatever you prefer, got it, Josh?
So is it just wherever the sign is pointing?
Don't teach me on that yet. All right, we have to actually learn this first, but then yes. All right, so you guys, is negative 4 a solution? No. Is negative 2 a solution? No, because it's an open circle, right? It does not include negative 2. Is negative 1.5 a solution? Yes. Is negative 1.9 a solution? Yes. Negative 1.99999. Yes. Negative 2? No. All right? So anything bigger than negative 2 is a solution. Yeah, draw another number line. Alright, so Rebecca, can you read what that says? Just read what this says.
X is greater than or equal to -2.
Very good. X is greater than or equal to -2. So Dustin, do you think we're going to have an open or a closed circle?
Close.
Yeah, we're going to have a closed circle. Now, if you do this on the test, I don't know. I'm gonna count you off because I'm like, I'm not sure, and it's kind of halfway colored in, but you're trying to be like, I don't know, so I'm gonna trick you. Be really clear to me. All right, it needs to be like solid or open. Okay, solid or open. All right, now it says x is greater than or equal to -2. So Colton, the numbers to the right or the numbers to the left? Which ones are greater than -2?
The ones to the right.
Yes, these numbers here.
We do it like
For the greater than less than sign, it's an alligator that eats the most M&Ms. That's a word.
Some people get confused about that.
what?
Interesting. All right. Read it from right. You still have to know what it says, and that's what people don't know what it says sometimes. I want you to make sure you can read what it says. Anyway, so Anya, give me a number that is a solution. What's a number that makes this true? What number is greater than or equal to -2? Yep. 1. That's a winner. Sophia, give me another solution. 0. That's a winner. Josh. Okay, that would be on here. Hayden. -2 is also a solution to this one, right? Because it's a solid circle and it's 4 equal to. Okay, good. Go ahead and write that one down. Alright, so Carson, read us that inequality.
X is less than or equal to 4.
Very good. X is less than or equal to 4. So, Morgan W., what's a possible solution? What would make that true before we graph it?
5.
Ooh. Is 5 less than or equal to
-2.
4? Okay, -2 would be a solution. Yes. Jaleb? What else? -3. Josh? -7. Okay, good. We got the negatives down. Those are all going to win, right? 4 is a solution. All right, so now we got to actually graph it. So Bree, open or close circle on the number 4. Good job. Both of you. Okay, and Aaron, are the numbers that are less than 4 to the right or the left?
Left.
Yeah, these numbers are less than 4. 3, 2, 1, 0, and all the negatives. Okay, are less than or equal to 4. Anya.
Can it just be like a normal line or does it have to be?
You can go like this, but if you put it right on top of your line, sometimes I can't really see it. So make it either like that or above. All right? Okay, Kaden. That is a solution. Yeah, you could go forever with the 9s. Okay, write this one down. And Kayla, can you read to us what that says? Good. Very good. X is less than -4. So, Ayla, open or close circle on -4. Open. Very good. Open circle on -4. And now I'm going to teach you Josh's trick. All right? We are going to teach it to you. So, this says less than right here, right? So, what direction does that arrow actually point?
That way.
To the left. So it only works if the variable is on the left side of the equation. If I switch this and I go the other way, don't use it. You can only use that trick if the variable is here and the number is here. All right? That's why I don't always want to teach it to you, because sometimes you just need to understand what you're actually doing. But I want to show you this. Which direction did this one point?
That way.
Right. Which direction did that one point? Right. That's the way we went. Which direction does this one point?
That way.
Left. Got it? So it does point that way if the variable's on the left. Yeah, Morgan.